I had the hiccups earlier on today, and every time I have hiccups, my voice goes to shit. So I thought it'd be funny to like read some quotes, some famous movie quotes in this voice. I took this from AFI's 100 top movie quotes. Where's the list at? E.T. phone home. Say hello to my little friend. I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse. Toto, I have a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore. That's as high as my voice goes right now. I can't do it higher. Hasta la vista, baby. So this is one of my favorite quotes because I have a whole vampire obsession. Listen to them. Children of the night. What music they make. Do I sound like Dracula? Yeah. You talking to me? You talking to me? I'm talking to me. Yo, Adrian. Rocky. Adrian. Rocky. Adrian. I'll get you, my pretty. And your little dog too. May the force be with you. Sound like Yoda. Yeah. I'll be back. They're here. My precious. Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn. My voice is so bad right now. I see dead people. Mama always said, life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. Here's Johnny. Oh, it's so deep. You know my eyes are like Scuttle. Skulls. Alright, wait. We gotta talk about dingle hoppers. We're looking up Scuttle quotes. What's that? It's a dingle hopper. La 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 la. I'm the Jewish Scuttle. Positivity. I don't know where I'm going with this. I'm done. My voice should be back to normal soon.